Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily change paths where you want to save your files in Opera. So for doing this you just need to open Easy Setup and here just scroll down. You just scroll down until you will see here Downloads menu, and here you will find download location. So here you will see your path where now your files by default saves to. Just click on change and here you will find you need to choose path where you want to save your files. For example, I want to save it in documents, so just choose documents and just choose folder. And now here you can see that it successfully changed to documents, so everything is working. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.